Have you ever noticed that certain foods seem to make your period symptoms worse rather than better? If you've ever felt unusually bloated, experienced intensified cramps, suffered from mood swings, or found yourself struggling with fatigue, your diet may be playing a bigger role than you think. While it's always important to maintain a balanced diet, during your period, your body is especially sensitive to what you eat. The wrong choices can exacerbate pain, discomfort, and emotional ups and downs, while the right ones can help you feel more energized and balanced. One of the most common culprits behind period discomfort is salty foods. Foods that are heavily processed or high in sodium, such as chips, instant noodles, canned soups, and frozen dinners, can cause your body to retain water, leading to bloating and an overall feeling of heaviness. Excess sodium disrupts your body's natural fluid balance, making you feel sluggish and uncomfortable. If you already tend to struggle with bloating during your period, consuming salty foods will only make the problem worse. Instead, try incorporating fresh, whole foods that are naturally low in sodium to help reduce water retention and promote overall comfort. Another group of foods to avoid is anything high in sugar. While it may be tempting to indulge in sweets when you're feeling down, excess sugar causes blood sugar levels to spike and then crash, leaving you feeling even more tired and irritable. This roller coaster effect can worsen mood swings, making you feel more anxious or depressed than you otherwise would. Additionally, consuming too much sugar can lead to increased inflammation in the body, potentially making cramps more painful. That's why it's best to limit your intake of candy, pastries, soda, and other sugary treats. If you have a sweet tooth, try opting for natural sugars found in fruits like berries or bananas, which provide energy without the harmful effects of refined sugar. Caffeine is another food category that should be consumed in moderation during your period. Found in coffee, tea, soda, and energy drinks, caffeine is a stimulant that can contribute to anxiety, restlessness, and dehydration. Since caffeine constricts blood vessels, it can also make cramps feel more severe. If you're already prone to experiencing painful cramps, cutting back on caffeine may help ease your discomfort. Additionally, caffeine can interfere with your sleep, and since your body already works overtime during your period, getting enough rest is essential. If you rely on caffeine to get through the day, consider switching to herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint, which can provide a calming effect without the negative side effects of caffeine. Dairy products, while often considered a healthy part of a balanced diet, may not be the best choice during your period. Milk, cheese, and ice cream contain a fatty acid called arachidonic acid, which can trigger inflammation and lead to more severe menstrual cramps. While not everyone experiences this effect, if you find that your cramps are particularly intense, reducing your dairy intake may provide some relief. Additionally, some people have trouble digesting lactose, which can lead to further bloating and digestive discomfort. Instead of dairy, try incorporating plant-based alternatives like almond milk, oat milk, or coconut yogurt, which are easier on the stomach and less likely to contribute to inflammation. Fatty and fried foods should also be avoided during your period, as they can lead to increased inflammation in the body, worsening cramps and discomfort. Foods that are deep-fried, high in trans fats, or heavily processed, such as fast food, processed meats, and packaged snacks, can contribute to hormonal imbalances and digestive issues. These foods also tend to be low in essential nutrients, leaving you feeling sluggish and unwell. Instead, focus on consuming healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, which provide essential nutrients without the negative effects of unhealthy fats. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Alcohol is another substance that can make period symptoms worse. While having a drink or two might seem like a way to relax, alcohol can actually lead to dehydration, which may intensify headaches and bloating. It also disrupts your sleep cycle and can interfere with your body's ability to regulate hormones effectively. Some people may also experience worsened mood swings after consuming alcohol, making it harder to cope with the emotional ups and downs that can already be challenging during your period. If you're looking for a way to unwind, try drinking herbal teas or infused water instead. Red meat is another food that may contribute to period discomfort. While red meat is a good source of iron, it is also high in prostaglandins, which are hormone-like substances that can increase uterine contractions and lead to more painful cramps. If you experience particularly intense cramps, cutting back on red meat may help reduce your pain. Instead, try getting your iron from plant-based sources like lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals, which can help maintain healthy iron levels without worsening cramps. Overall, making mindful food choices during your period can have a significant impact on how you feel. Your diet plays a crucial role in managing symptoms like bloating, cramps, fatigue, and mood swings. By avoiding certain foods and incorporating healthier alternatives, you can support your body's needs and feel more balanced throughout your cycle. One of the biggest culprits of period discomfort is processed and high-sodium foods. Excess salt can lead to water retention, making bloating worse and leaving you feeling sluggish. Similarly, sugary foods can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to mood swings and energy dips. While it might be tempting to reach for comfort foods like chips, candy, or pastries, opting for more natural, nutrient-dense snacks can help keep your energy stable and your mood in check. On the other hand, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods can help you feel more energized and reduce period-related discomfort. Leafy greens provide iron to combat fatigue, whole grains help regulate blood sugar, and lean proteins support muscle function and recovery. Hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges can also help ease bloating and keep your body well-nourished. Listening to your body is key. Everyone's experience with period symptoms is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you notice that certain foods make your symptoms worse, try cutting them out and see if you feel a difference. Likewise, if some foods help you feel better, make them a regular part of your diet. Small, intentional changes to your eating habits can lead to a more comfortable and manageable period, allowing you to go about your daily life with greater ease and well-being. That's all for today's discussion on the foods you should avoid during your period. We hope this information helps you make better choices and manage your symptoms more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. And stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll be diving into the best foods to eat during your period to help you feel your best. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.